Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I was just playing this afternoon with the transformation and transform docker, the rotation part. I drew a crescent moon kind of looking shape, and I've got all 9 of them, which represents the 9 locations that you can rotate them. And I'm gonna do them in some sort of order. I'm gonna do that one in the middle. Now it's going to rotate on itself, and it's a perfect circle, so you're going to get a perfect circle. But this time I'm going to rotate from the left top, middle top, and right top. 3 completely different aspects of the exact same thing. Now I'm going to go there. There's number 4. Now we're going to get into some repetitiveness with some of these because we're just rotating the opposite way. So these 2 and those 2 are pretty close to the same. And it would really be on the shape that you're using. So that's a new one. Go to the bottom, because those 2 are pretty close. One more. So just by changing the rotation center, all right, these 2 are pretty close to the same. They're just backwards. This one is totally different. These 2 are the same, except for they're going the opposite direction. And these 2 are pretty much the same. They're just going opposite direction. So we've got, don't count this one. We've got 2 that are totally different. So just by spinning them, if we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different patterns off of one little shape just by rotating it differently from the center. Hope that made a little bit of sense and understandable, and how what you can do with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.